Over the last few episodes, we built four moving parts: a plan to decide what to look up, a search that rewrites itself to find better, a grader that keeps the good and bins the junk, and a gate that decides what happens next.
Wait, all of them at once?
Yep, today they stop being four separate lessons and start wiring together into one machine. Watch. This is the full loop. Here's the whole machine on one page. A question comes in. The agent retrieves some documents, grades them, and hits a gate. Is this enough good material to answer? Yes goes one way, no goes another. So let's send a real question through, retrieve, grade, and at the gate, only one document survived. Not enough. So instead of answering from thin air, it takes the no road, rewrite the query, and go back.
So it just loops until it's happy?
Pretty much. Second lap, a better query, better documents, and this time the gate says yes. It answers, grounded only in what passed, same machine, one loop, quietly fixing itself. So, how do you actually build this? With LangGraph, it's almost boringly clean. Every step becomes a node on a graph: retrieve, grade, rewrite, generate. The four jobs we already know, each one a node. Then you wire them up. Start at retrieve. Retrieve flows into grade. So far, it's just a straight line.
Where's the loop?
Right here, this one conditional edge is the gate. After grade, a tiny function checks. Enough good docs? Yes roots to generate. No roots to rewrite, which loops straight back to retrieve. Compile it, and that graph is a self-correcting agent. Now let's stream it and watch the nodes fire in real time. Retrieve pulls 5 documents. Grade keeps just one. The gate checks. Enough equals no, not yet. So the graph doesn't stop. It routes to rewrite, sharpens the query, and loops straight back to retrieve. 4 fresh documents. Grade keeps 3, and this time enough equals yes.
It fixed its own homework.
Generate writes the answer, grounded in 3 graded sources. 2 laps around the graph, 0 humans in the loop. That's Agentic CRAG, really running. So let's zoom all the way out. You now know how an agent plans a search, rewrites its own query, grades what it finds, and loops until the answer is actually grounded. That's not a buzzword anymore. That's a machine you could sketch on a napkin. If this series made Agentic RAG click for you, do the thing, like subscribe and pass it to the one friend who keeps saying RAG is complicated. It isn't. You just proved that.
Do I get a diploma?
Yeah, Rue, you get a diploma. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next one.